got the money. $500,000 on the necklace. No rich niggas with successful. She wanna feel special. And come and make me feel special. I got 100 a better, 100. I get 200 a better, 200. I might go put all my chains on. I can might change up the weather.
I'm usually the guy, I don't have to think about it. But good luck, yep. It's been filming, so this will be a fun car.
Interesting. Thanks for saying roll name.
Oh.
Yeah. Alright. And so hi, I'm Ian from Prime Drift. We're here with our buddy Paul, who has his 89 Volvo 740 Turbo. We're gonna be doing some stuff to it today. He is interested in possibly turning this into a track build, maybe a drift car. So we're gonna be taking some looks under the hood, seeing what he has done to the car already. He just bought it, still figuring some stuff out, and then we're gonna be doing some race car stuff under the dash. The strut brace install, I brought the lugs, I brought the brake leader.
Fuck yeah.
I have some brake fluid in
the brakes.
Yeah, I actually
Oh,
have
that's
some
right,
brake
yeah, you don't have
fluid in
any
the leader.
brakes.
I do have brakes, but there's no brake feel.
You turn the car on, the pedal sinks right to the floor. It's
But the
still
brakes
stuck.
I don't like that.
Which is super sketchy when you're driving.
I think it's just air.
So you're driving and you're like nothing, but there's no feel. You're like nothing. Brakes! But when I was driving it back from the shop that did my master cylinder, I had no brake lights either.
Oh,
And he was
God.
like, I don't know, there's no brake lights. I was like, fucking hell.
So then when you come up on someone, well, someone's
So people
tailgating
behind
you.
me and just
Holy
they're
shit.
like, oh shit.
So some of the stuff that we're looking at getting accomplished, maybe not today, but over some period of time, is we're looking at deleting the ABS and installing a Willwood proportioning valve, deleting this aftermarket horn siren combo in here, fixing his brakes, deleting some of the remaining EVAP parts, and of course the AC, which doesn't work as all old Volvos, getting rid of that.
There's no belt on it anyway.
Yeah, there's no belt. We're removing the condenser, the rest of the lines. Looking at some upgrades like an all aluminum radiator, some silicone hoses, and making sure this thing is ready to hit the track in time.
Do you think we're gonna hit the track in time?
That's the intention.
Yeah.
About like 3 months. I feel pretty confident.
We started, what, like a month before once. And it,
This is my first one, so it's,
yeah, you'll be
Oh,
fine.
the month before we actually made it. It was the
I
time
know.
where we were.
Then it blows
we
up.
gave ourselves plenty of time. Like when I built a motor that was done in
Yep.
January, and we didn't have it in until June. My car's ready to go. I just have to put on that reservoir. I'm fine. So some of the stuff that's already been done from the previous owner, we have an Isuzu NPR aftermarket intercooler down here. It is a drop-in replacement that's actually pretty sturdy. Has the cast end tanks instead of the plastic ones that the stock one does. It actually has more volume, so it is a nice little upgrade there. It's got some aftermarket cone filter that's looking a little rusty. That's interesting. We've got a great way to turn up the boost right here. Just a little,
Dude, give it all the boost.
all right, all the boost. This thing just keeps on going.
Oh yeah, I'm sure I can just put it on 30 or something.
Yeah, no.
I have this from my BMW after.
Well,
I blew it
until
up.
you hit.
Oh!
Boom, now we get a
But
new
this
one.
is huge.
That
so
is
we need
huge.
different, like,
You
two
need
things.
a reducing ring, which I
Yeah.
might actually have kicking around.
But-
But what brand is this?
AP.
Oh, this is Agency Power is actually pretty nice.
Yeah.
Cool, we're halfway done.
Pull parts off my blown up Beamer.
Boom. Is there any engine parts in that thing?
Cam.
Yeah, it's a turbo IPD cam, which he already did.
Cool.
I know they just rebuilt it's the stock turbo, but they just did a full rebuild on it.
All right, let's get this garage door down so we can get some
Yeah.
light in here and get to work.
And actually not be cold.
This is some like super Alibaba, but he had it turned to most boost possible and then jammed open.
I think that's just when I took it off. I was fucking with it.
Yeah, because these aren't supposed to be on here. You're supposed to like tighten.
Oh, yeah.
Well, it was just really fucking loose.
Oh, nope.
No, that's on.
There you go.
What the fuck?
What the hell? This would have been set to kill.
Good. Good thing now he has a real reliable boost controller, so.
Subaru shit.
Is that Go Fast Bits? What is that?
It's Grimspeed.
Oh.
Subaru shit.
I'll buy this.
Alright.
Sneaking onto the used car, but it's not looking.
You better not, dude. I already blew the thing up twice. Oh, wait, dude. We gotta put some attention to that.
superior?
What is that?
That was, yeah.
That's very classy.
It's so
Jesus.
Actually,
You could drive this to a wedding.
Look at this. This is a Mercury switch.
I know, you teach me this shit all the time.
I know, you don't like this shit?
yeah, I started just pulling out.
So we're gonna try and get a little bit of this harness cleaned up today. We're gonna zip tie this off into every
my
circuit
God.
it is, so it doesn't look like a rainbow.
Oh, man.
Well, honestly, I've seen
I
worse.
only have
So
rainbow zip ties.
that's
fine.
it's perfect because you have rainbow wires. Nice job.
You filming right now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Do you not want me to film?
He's trying not
Yes.
to talk shit, I think.
That's what editing's for. We're just gonna throw the thing on.
Well, that's boring. Our people want to see cool content.
You're right.
We're bringing you some cool. Today we're going to be installing this TXR strut brace from Retro Turbo on this car. He got this nice matching powder coat done. So I think that will go over pretty well. Slap this thing on.
Well, I wouldn't slap it on. Wait, you only got 2 studs up here, dude?
Yeah.
How did I not know that? I had one of these.
They all were like that.
That's weird.
There's 2 on my 240. Oh, what size do we need for that?
I'm gonna guess and say 17 millimeter. Hey Ian, is that a 17 millimeter?
No, it's a 9mm.
No, it's not. I'm telling you right.
It's a 9mm.
It's a 17.
Dude, I'm pretty good. Oh, that's gonna look cool in slow motion or sped up.
Stickers from Retro Turbo.
I think he gave me a couple.
Oh, nice. I never got any stickers from.
Volvo
I didn't know
people
if he just
love
didn't make
stickers, dude.
So, washer will have to go up on top.
Yeah,
You're gonna have to do
One
this.
thing I initially don't like about these, I'd have to say, is that it sits up on top of these instead of sitting flush. However, for the price, I can't complain.
You're gonna have to do the coil delete too. It seems to be close.
Nah, that's a good ground spot.
We're gonna call this car Clifford.
No.
Yeah, that's the name.
No.
So much red.
No.
So this is more of an orange.
Like if red really did mean a fast car, this thing would do fucking so fast.
Just needs a couple stickers.
The lock nut will go on one side, and the bolt will go on the other.
I'll get out of the way. Well, I'm glad this one clears the master cylinder.
You didn't tighten down
No.
on the other side. So that is nice and tight.
You put it
there.
together all loose, and then you tighten them all up together.
Nice stainless steel hardware. It's really good quality.
No, I do like that.
There we go.
There you go. We'll go down.
It's okay. We don't need threads.
Steve, can we add a little bit more red to this car?
Dude, any more red, I'm gonna throw up.
You
Red
seeing red right now? You seeing red?
Give it a love tap.
Wiggle that a little. Give me just a tiny bit of room.
He likes it when I wiggle. Grab the end of a socket wrench and just tap it in.
Cross-threaded, tight as tight.
Perfect.
I'm pretty sure that's how I did it on the other car. Getting some flashbacks with the hammer right now.
Wow, that looks awesome.
Just more red we didn't need.
Well, Clifford likes red.
God damn it.
The more you dislike.
It's alright, the blue E36 is Uncle Dunkle.
Oh man.
'Cause
I just don't name cars like names. I don't have silly like
I got a wet. None of my cars have names.
Yeah, they're all called one. Shitbox.
shitbox.
Wow, that looks sick. Now we just gotta tighten it up.
It's Uncle Dunkle because his paint code is Dunkelblau.
Yeah, so it's Uncle Dunkle. What size Allen key is that?
It's a 10 millimeter.
It's a 10 millimeter.
It's not 10 millimeters.
I honestly don't-
Whatever, it's a 10.
Like a rock.
The next thing that we should do, you have a jack?
Yep.
Sweet. We should jack up the rear passenger side. Get my brake leader on here, build up some pressure, crack that caliper, and we're gonna do just the rear, see if that makes a pedal difference.
And then you'll know.
And then, yeah, we're gonna work through there. Because the ABS unit may have stored some fluid. I don't know how they're doing. Because, like, it feels rock solid and the brakes work with the car off, but as soon as you do it, it goes to the floor.
Well,
which is indicative of, if there was a bubble up here, it has to pass through here and everything.
yeah, and all that has to move, but wouldn't you just get rid of that, put the Willwood thing in there, and then bleed them?
That would be good, but we would have to order it.
Amazon deal, will be here in 20 minutes. Yeah, let's take the wagon. Yeah, we're going to the store.
Alright, go there.
We're just gonna go.
Yeah, we're just gonna, you can stay here.
You wanna get in?
Alright, we're hopping in the
These are the
240.
wheels I bought off Ian.
Oh, those ones?
Yeah. That's how I met Ian.
They're,
Was this one the bent one?
oh, fuck you. I got them from a kid who traded me Dracos for them.
Dreidels?
For Hydras.
Dreidels.
You trying to make trails for?
Such a racist.
Oh, you got some dreidels. So we're gonna hop in the 240, get some parts for the...
There's like an O'Reilly
Is there? Yeah.
on Amherst Street.
Gotta film that. Probably put a seatbelt on.
Yeah, you're fine. In Mexico.
This is winter Mexico.
Yeah, winter Mexico. Right, we're in.
Holy shit.
snow Mexicans.
My 240 was so stupidly slow. Thing feels like
A lot of them are
5
really
times
unhealthy.
faster.
We're running on 3 cylinders and we couldn't figure out what it was.
For like a year, we couldn't figure out anything. Like, I just sold it. I'm like, it will never run on 4 cylinders.
Cylinder 4 had bad compression.
We made it.
I would not put them on anything else. But
Not a quality Mr. Clean, it's the off-brand Mr. Clean.
here?
Yeah.
Oh, it's not. It's like $120.
That's still pretty high. Like I have
20.